Hello everyone, I'm Overlander Benny, and today I'm going to show you the Leatherman Skeletool CX. I'll tell you why I chose this as my everyday carry multi-tool and what I believe I'm going to like about it. Obviously this is an unboxing, so this is going to be new. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I noticed is it says 7 tools. Made in the USA. These are made in Portland, Oregon, which is close to where I reside. So I feel like I'm kind of supporting local that way. I am kind of disappointed when it does say 7 tools. It also tells you what they are on the back. Needle nose pliers and regular pliers. Needle nose, regular wire cutter and a hard wire cutter. Like those seem like the same thing to me. So I feel like it's kind of misleading. My older Leathermans, like the Wave and such, had many more functions, but the weight and the versatility of just having a belt clip and this lanyard type latch made me decide I kind of wanted to try this one. Now the tool is $79.99 at Sportsman's Warehouse. And they had a few of them in stock. The Skeletool without the CX is a little bit cheaper. It's $65, I believe. Some how to use your Leatherman instructions. And there it is. Okay, let's open it up and see what we have here. First, they have a bottle opener right here. I like this lanyard clip in case I want to hang it on my backpack or something while hiking. Don't want it in my pants dragging me down. This belt clip right here is one of the #1 reasons I bought this tool. I don't like my knives down in my pocket. I like a belt clip. Looks like it goes fairly deep, not as deep as I would like to see it go, but it's very manageable. You have a Phillips screwdriver bit here, 2 different sizes, a #2 and a #1. Right here is your flat or standard bit. And it is a 1/4 and a 3/16. Just slips right in here. Some fairly decent pliers and wire cutters. We have been warned from other people that had it in the past that this seems to bend. The knife blade opens with it closed in the closed position here, so that is nice. Some of them might have, you have to flip it open to get the blade out. One for the blade, and a push locking mechanism right here that looks like it engages very well and should have plenty long life. Have a little lanyard hole right here. Probably be effective if you needed it. Again, this is the Leatherman Skeletool CX. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Thanks for watching.